The Rugby Game by a Disgruntled Worker, a Satire, Part 14. Ha! Ben Imperial, the ever-wise Vice-Captain of Rugby, a man who knows full well the perils of insufficient training. He is well aware that an underprepared team may as well be a group of narcoleptic sloths on the field, their productivity dropping faster than a leaky water balloon. Meanwhile, Harry Anti-Conflict, the venerable peacemaker, fears that young Ben may believe he knows it all, despite the glaring evidence of a team turnover rate that rivals the sales of a hotcake stand. There is Ben, kicking the ball as if it were stuffed with haggis pudding, sending it soaring a whole 2 inches. Players, feeling neglected and undervalued, start to leave in droves, and Harry scrambles to fix the problems with the urgency of a frenzied ferret in a miniature drainpipe. In an attempt to enlighten Ben, Harry delicately points out that the lack of training leads to a veritable smorgasbord of issues: mistakes, errors, inconsistencies, and even safety risks for the players. He knows that these untrained rugby players are but ticking time bombs, just waiting to cause accidents and bring about legal liabilities for the company. But fear not, for all hope is not lost. Should Ben see the light and invest in proper training for his players, Hamilton streets shall transform into a dance floor of jubilation, and in the Ethiopian future, the well-trained team will play with efficiency and safety, fostering a positive workplace culture that keeps players' turnover at bay.